What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a contract in a matter of minutes. So let's imagine that you have an employee and you want to draft a contract for them. No matter the domain, no matter the expertise, no matter where the person is working, you just want to come up with a contract. Maybe you don't know how to build a contract, you don't know how contracts work. So today we're going to be using a tool which is going to draft a full contract for us without us doing much of the work. So all we're going to do is input just I want a contract, and the tool is going to build all of that. So to do this, we're going to use a tool called gamma.ai or gamma.app that you can check out at this website, gamma.app. Once you sign up, create an account and do all of that, you're going to be presented with this dashboard, and all you need to do is come on here to create new. And so you'll be presented with these three options, basically to paste in text, to generate, or to import from a file. So if you want to create a contract, this tool can be used as well to create multiple other presentations, and if you've watched my previous videos, you'll see much more of its capabilities. But today we want it precisely to create a contract. So what are we going to do? We are going to choose an option. If we already have some details about the contracts, we can use the option to paste in text. If we already have a contract drafted, we want to make it better, we can use this option to import a file or a URL. But today, let's say we have nothing at hand, we just want a contract for that person. So we're going to go ahead and click on generate, and we'll be presented with this prompt. First off, we have these three options here: a presentation, a web page, or a document. So in this case, we want to create a contract, so we need a document. So we go with document. We can choose the number of maybe pages in this case or slides we want, or we can choose the language as well. So we can choose the language as well. So we'll go ahead and choose these options here. We want 8 cards and let it stick to English. So say let's go with create a contract for a personal driver. So that's what we want. Let's say create a contract for a personal driver. So the artificial intelligence here is going to use in this prompt to generate what we want in a document format. That's all the information you need to put in, right? It's a driver, we want a contract for that driver. So let's go ahead and click on generate. So once we click on generate, it's going to outline the different sections. So you can see contract for a personal driver services, scope of the services, driver qualifications or responsibilities, components, compensation and payment terms, and so on and so forth. So you can see that's created really all of the sections, and you can definitely see how it is related to a driver. And this is what you are supposed to find in the contract in terms of services, the responsibilities, the insurance and liability. And these are the typical sections of a contract. If there's another section you like to add, maybe let's add a last section, let's say benefits, for example. That's a section, you can add those. Now finally, these options here, you have this option to put detailed information or just brief information. I think for a contract we'll stick with detailed information. Now for images, we can choose where we want to get the images. Let's say we want to get the images from the web. That's okay, good and fine. Or we want automatic images. Let the AI decide where it wants to get its images from. So we'll stick with that option. So once that's done, we'll click on continue. We'll be taken to a new interface, which is going to allow us to choose a theme that we want to stick with. So in this case, I don't think a dark theme will be appropriate, so we're going to choose but a white theme. So we'll go with this theme, and all that is left for you to do now is to click on generate. So there you go, it's going to generate now the contract and really show it to us in live, in real time. So that's it. Give it a couple of seconds for it to come. So there you have it. You can see how the contract is being generated in front of your eyes. So you have contract for personal driver services. It's adding all of the information relative to that contract as well. You see scope of services, it's putting in the different sections, and it's really bringing out all of this information, just from a single prompt, just from a single line of text. You see how a full contract is being drafted, a full contract is being developed. So definitely it's not going to be perfect, it's not going to add all the information you need, it's not going to add all of the information it has to add, and you can see how the sections are very short. A contract sometimes have a lot more information than this, but fortunately with this text we can add way more context, we can add way more information, either manually or still using AI. We can use it to generate even more and more information. But right off the bat, this is already some amazing thing that you're able to generate a full contract for a person just off a single line. So it's already amazing that it's able to do that. So there you have it. You see, it's using a team, it's designing things perfectly well, and everything is really coming together very easily, very easily. I don't know if you measure how amazing this is. You see the additional sections I added. I just said benefits, and you see how it's adding the different sections. You know, it's adding all of the information, adding what benefits are supposed to look like for a driver. So it's just making use of AI to come up with all of this information. So there you have it. In a matter of minutes, you are able to generate a full contract for a personal driver. This can be any employee, any type of service, any type of contract. You can generate it with this, and the goal of this tool is basically to provide you with the canvas, you know. So moving on from here, you can generate even more information. So if you want more text, you can use the AI to make the text a lot more. You can come here, select the text and make it a lot more, or use other AI tools to generate the text for the different sections. But this tool just allows you to come up with that document. Once you're done, you can come to the 3 dots over here. You click on export, and you'll be able to download it either as PDF or either as a PowerPoint or either as images as well. So there you have it. You could be easily able to do that. So you can equally publish it and just share the link for people to have access to it. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can easily create a contract in a matter of seconds, in a matter of minutes, using just a single prompt. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.